Desi.com.au, the ultimate Australian website for all the Bollywood entertainment, news and info. Why look anywhere else when you can find it all at Desi.com.au?
Hello friends and welcome to Desi TV Australia. Friends, I have with me a very talented youngster who has come all the way from India to visit us in Sydney. Yes friends, we have with us Amit Sana, who is the first runner-up of Indian Idol. Amit, first of all, a very warm welcome to Desi TV Australia.
Thank you. It's been a great journey so far.
Yes, tell me how excited you are to be the part of the Dhoom Holi Mela here in Sydney.
I'm super excited and I'm looking forward for a great performance of myself and a great audience there day after. So I assure you it's gonna be a great show.
Wonderful. Tell me, how did you actually get into the Indian Idol competition?
It was like I was just watching TV and I always wanted to. I used to watch Saregama. Yes. And it was like a dream that one day I'll go and participate in Saregama, and then this Indian Idol thing happened. I was watching this promo on TV where Sonu Ji was playing, and also there was Faraji and Anu Malik. So then my dad told me, then why not you go inquire about this and see if you can participate in this. So then that's how I got into this, and then I went into Indian Idol, and I never thought that it will be so huge. It will be like become the parent of all reality shows on TV, which followed afterwards. So it was a great experience, and yeah, I'm very proud to be associated with Indian Idol.
So tell me, once you won that title of the first runner-up, where did it take you?
I think it gave me a great experience of industry, of myself, how much I can take the pressure, and how talented actually I am. I'm not saying that I'm very talented or something, but I actually got to know my own talent. So it was like a great experience, how to deal with people and how to take pressure and all these things. Yeah.
And I found out that you can sing in different genres. So tell me, which different types of music and songs you can sing.
I'm very good with classical, since I'm a trained classical singer. Then I'm very good with ghazals, bhajans. Then obviously Bollywood is now my genre. So I'm good with Bollywood. I'm good with Sufi. So these are all the genres where I'm really strong.
So can you give us a bit of example of each to all the viewers there?
Yeah, sure, why not? First I'll start off with classical. I'll sing the song which I sang in Indian Idol, sure. Which actually, because of which they selected me. It's like this. Albela Sajana Ayori, Albela Sajana Ayori, Murahat man sukha payori, Albela Sajana Ayori, Albela, 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 Albela Sajana Ayori. Now comes ghazal. I'll sing a famous ghazal of Ghulam Ali ji. चुपके चुपके रात दिन आंसू बहाना याद है हमको, अब तक आशिकी का वो ज़माना याद है। चुपके चुपके रात दिन आंसू बहाना याद है। And now Bollywood. दीवाना दीवाने ने मुझको भी कर डाला दीवाना। मैंने उसके शहर को छोड़ा, उसकी गली में दिल को तोड़ा, फिर भी सीने में धड़कता है ये दिल। मैंने दिल से उसे निकाला, जो ना करना था कर डाला, फिर भी याद उसी को करता है ये दिल दीवाना दीवाना है ये दिल।
Wonderful, that's just excellent, and I'm sure it will give you a vast variety and opportunity where you can perform and you can expose yourself better. And not only this, I believe you can sing in different languages as well.
Yeah.
So how many different languages can you sing in?
I can sing in Bengali, I can sing in Punjabi, I can sing in obviously I can sing in Hindi. And there's one more language, which yeah, Telugu. Yeah, that's my obviously. Yeah, that's my.
Punjabi तड़का हो जाए.
मुंडे कार चलांदे ते गुड़िया गिद्दा पावण, हंस हंस के खुशी मनांदे ते गीत पंजाबी गावण, हंस हंस के खुशी मनांदे ते गीत पंजाबी गावण। कुड़िया दे मुंडिया दी गल बन गई ते बन गई, अख लड़ गई ते कुड़िया दी मुंडिया दी कुड़िया दी गल बन गई ते बन गई, अख लड़ गई।
एक्सीलेंट। अमित जी, हम लोग इंडिया से हैं और इंडिया में हमारे मम्मी डैडी कहते हैं भाई डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर और वकील, इससे आगे आप कुछ नहीं सोच सकते हो। और आप एक आईटी बैकग्राउंड के भी हो। Or IT background and plus doing singing as a passion and then as a career. So how is that affecting your IT career?
To be honest,
and how was your parents' reaction first of all?
My parents always wanted me to be in singing only, and so did I. And as far as IT career is it was like since I come from a service class family, so my father wanted me to be pursue my studies. Do my degree and all. So I was interested in IT, I was interested in computers. So I did that, and it was kind of like a backup plan because I wasn't aware that I'll be going in Indian Idol and all. So it was like I'll go to Bombay, I'll
explore yourself.
Yeah, I'll do a service or something so that I can run my livelihood, and then I'll continue along with that I can continue my singing. So
now at the moment, are you only doing singing or you still doing something with your IT profession as well?
I'm completely engrossed in singing, and I'm only doing that.
Great. You're so young, and where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
I see myself as a great performer and a good singer.
And who's been your inspiration as a singer?
There are several inspirations. I have learned many things from KK. I've learned many things from Shankar Mahadevan. But yeah, my true inspiration is Sonu Nigam. He's a true idol for me.
Wonderful. Would you like to give some message to all the viewers watching you on Desi TV Australia?
Yeah, why not? I am very happy to be in Australia, and I'm very excited for the show day after. And I want all you guys watching this to be a part of this show. And I want to thank my promoter, Mr. Ajay, and his company Desi Style for bringing us here and giving us this opportunity to be a part of this pre-Holi festival, and I hope we're going to have great fun with it.